Hey guys, this is going to be my room for 2 days, or make that 2 nights. So, our tropical retreat has officially started. Grabe, napaka-spacious ng room. And we get to have 1 room per person. So look at that. Get dalawa yung beds. Ako lang ang nagmamay-ari ng room na to. I have my own TV. Tapos merong maliit na coffee table. And then the toilet and bath is over here. And also, I have a bar. So, yun lang muna. But, we're going to review the rooms. Okay, look at that. There's huge cabinet. My bathrobe. My safe. Chanelas. And ganyan yung room. So there's another door that's leading to hindi ko alam. But we're gonna check that out later.